Some valuable advice from Hazrat Idrees alayhis salam. O human, it seems that death is searching for you. Sweat emerges on your forehead. Your lips become dry and parched. Your tongue ceases to move. The moisture in your mouth dries up. The darkness in your eyes turns into whiteness. And foam emerges from your mouth. A shiver runs through your entire body. With severe difficulties, you wrestle with death. After this, your soul departs from your body, and in front of your loved ones, you lay there as a stinking corpse, serving as a lesson for others. So keeping all these things in mind, advise yourself and learn from the reality of death, as it will inevitably find you. No matter how long your life is, death will soon overtake you. O human, open your ears and listen carefully, that despite the hardships of death, they are easier compared to the terrifying and dreadful events of the Day of Judgment. Remember this: standing in the divine court of justice for the reckoning of your deeds and receiving reward or punishment is so severe and overwhelming that even the most powerful person does not possess the courage or strength to endure hearing about those events and circumstances.